being a positive sense and means that the virus RNA can directly be used to hijack ribosomes to make proteins needed for replication. Different viral strains go through several intermediate steps before protein and genetic replication. Being enveloped means that it replicates via budding, which basically means it escapes out of the cell by pushing itself and enveloping itself with the good stay out my bubble coronavirus horse shirt. Having an envelope makes it have a less chance of survival in an outside environment, as its stability requires a moist environment. However, having an envelope makes it likelier to evade the immune system, as it uses parts of the cell to mask itself from immune cells. Good stay out my bubble coronavirus horse shirt, tank top, V-neck, ladies tee for men and women, V-neck, tank top. The replication method of the genome itself relies on RNA-dependent RNA polymerase. The coronavirus subfamily is unique in that it has genes that encode for extra fidelity proteins, which means that the mutation rates are lower than other positive sense RNA viruses, as it has proofreading mechanisms for its genetic material. Oh, this sounds like good news. How much of a difference is there? I know only a good stay out my bubble coronavirus horse shirt. That between DNA polymerase and RNA polymerase? I was wondering about smokers versus non-smokers too, especially since this virus really limits and damages lung function. This may contribute to why we see older people dying, and I noticed more men dying than women. Official good stay out my bubble coronavirus horse sweatshirt, hoodie, sweatshirt, hoodie, and I wondered if men were more likely to have been smokers. Just a thought, but it would be nice to know. The Spanish flu caused a cytokine storm in younger people with, so, unfortunately, in this case, the better your immune system, the more likely you died. Beta-cov is believed to be associated with a good stay out my bubble coronavirus horse shirt. If the individual's immune system overly triggered in response by a particularly virulent variation, or if it's simply the base virus that caused the immune system to over-trigger. I've seen it mentioned being exposed to heat of 50 C for 30 minutes will as well. Are there any methods outside a lab environment? Other products.